Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna do actually how we can convert an HTML element to a image. So basically, those who are new here, in the last video I showed you how you can create PDF out of your HTML page. So today we are gonna show you how you can create image from your HTML page. It's pretty simple. Just in 5 minutes it will be done and you can easily have it. So let's begin. We'll begin with this creating an index.html file. That will be the root file for our small website. So I'm gonna write some code here. We'll start with HTML tag and we'll do some usual things like adding head tags, then adding title, and let's put some title here. So now we are gonna write the body part of the page, and in the body we are gonna introduce an div element that we will be using for capturing the image. So we put some familiar name as an ID of the element. Let's write something. Now we're gonna put some other element. First let's see how does it work. So we're gonna add some other element that we will not be using for generating the image. So let's write it down. Okay, so you can see the contents are here. Now it's time for some scripting. So what I'm gonna do is to use an HTML to canvas. Okay, it's a CDN. It is widely available on internet. You can search it, and the links are in description also, so you can have it there. So I'm gonna put the link of that script there and then write down the script. So what we are gonna do is paste the HTML to canvas, and we are gonna link this code to one of our event that we will be initializing by adding a button. So on the click of the button the image will be created. So first let's create the button, and using the ID of this button we will create a code. We'll bind the event to the clicking of that button. So let's do that. So this is the part of the code where I have already binded the click event to the button. You can see the ID of the button, click function. So this particular piece of code will execute only after the clicking of this button. So let's write some comment here. So I think that's enough for the comment. We'll stop here, and now we will see how does it work. And yeah, so we're gonna execute it, and we're gonna click on that button to see does it work. I think we have missed something. Okay. We have added the JavaScript CDN on the top. You can see now we are introducing another function that will not just generate the image but also save it, like give the user an option so that they can save it. So I'm gonna create another function where I'm passing one argument as the canvas that we have used for generating the image, converting into a data URL, and passing the name of the file that we want. Now we will define this function below. And in this function what we are gonna do is, let me tell you, is we're gonna append an element to the body of the document. So we're gonna introduce this element here, and we're gonna put JavaScript void as an href of the element, and of course we are gonna give this element an ID that we will be using for doing the click event. So now we're gonna append this variable that we have created above to the body so that it is visible to the users. Now we're gonna use the ID of the element to change the attributes like href and append the download name of the file. So we're gonna use the attribute function, pass in one argument as a name of the attribute and second argument as a value of the attribute. You see, when I clicked on that link, it automatically gave me the pop-up, and now we're gonna preview the file, the image that we have created. So let's do that. We're gonna open it on our photo. You can see the images here. There are multiple options to actually customize the image that you can see in the documentation. The link is down. Just use it and let me know how does it help you. Of course, like, share and comment, and do subscribe if you haven't already subscribed, and of course share with the people who love it, love the programming, and who are interested in learning new codes. Thank you.